Welcome to the Heart-Centered Discernment Checklist. In a world full of noise and information, it's essential to connect with your inner truth. This brief guide will help you pause, reflect, and tune into your heart to find clarity and authenticity. Together, we'll explore simple, mindful steps to align with your core values and higher self. Let's begin this journey of discernment, guided by the wisdom within you. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Feel your body begin to relax as you ground yourself in this moment. Let your mind quiet and release any tension you're holding. Picture your heart as a glowing light at the center of your chest, radiating warmth and calm. Focus on that light as you breathe deeply again, in and out. You are fully present, clear and open, ready to receive truth with a calm and centered mind. Trust this space of peace within you. This helps you separate from your emotions, biases, and immediate reactions, allowing you to listen from a place of clarity and calm. Tune into your heart. Pay attention to the sensations and emotions in your heart space. Notice if you feel a sense of peace, discomfort, warmth, or tension. Why it helps. Your heart can often sense when something is true or false, as it responds to what resonates with your inner wisdom. Trust the bodily responses as cues. Does this align with your core values? Reflect on whether the information shared aligns with your core beliefs and values. Does it resonate with your sense of truth, compassion, and integrity? When information aligns with your deepest values, it often feels true and authentic. If something feels out of sync, it may be a sign to question it. Listen for inner peace or discomfort. As you consider the information, check for any inner peace or discomfort. Does your heart feel at ease, or does it feel agitated or tight? Our hearts instinctively respond to truth with a sense of peace, while falsehoods or manipulations can cause unease. Trust your gut feelings. Seek alignment with your higher self or spirit. Take a moment to ask for guidance from your higher self, intuition, or spiritual beliefs. Does the information feel aligned with your higher purpose or spiritual truths? By connecting with your higher self or spirit, you can gain deeper insight and clarity, helping you discern whether the information aligns with your soul's truth. When using your heart for discernment, remember that truth often brings peace, clarity, and a sense of alignment. Trust your inner wisdom and allow your heart to guide you toward what feels right.